Question number 1, model number 3. Which of the following numerical expression can be used verify the division process over 5 divided by 3 equal fifths? Okay, we must find the result by product the quotient by the divisor. Fifths product by 3. Choose here 3 times fifths. Okay, 3 times fifths. Which of the following numerical expression can be used to verify the division process? We must choose 3 times fifths. Product the quotient by the divisor. 3 product 1 over 5. The result will be 3 over 5. Question number 2. If a rectangular prism has base area 14 square centimeter and height 4 centimeters in its volume, what about rectangular prism? Rectangular prism is meaning the cuboid area of cuboid. We have the difference between area and the volume. The volume, it will be area base times the height. Okay, he won't find the area, or the volume, he won't find the volume. Then the volume, it will be base area product by corresponding height. Base area was 14 square centimeter and corresponding height was 4. 4 times 4 equals 16. 6 and carry of 1. 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 1 equals 5. The result will be 56 cubic centimeter. Okay. Question number 3. In the 6th grade of primary school, if the ratio between boys and girls was 5 to 4. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and the number of boys was 80. We can find the value of each box. The value of each box. Right, the number of boys was what? The number of boys was 80. 80 divided by 5, we have 5 boxes. It will be what? It will be 16. Okay, the value of each box was 16. Then the number of girls, he won't find the number of girls. We have how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 product by the value of each box was 16. 4 times 6 equal 24, right? 4 and the carry of 2. 1 times 4 equal 4. 4 plus 2 equals 6. The result will be 64. Okay, then the number of girls, it will be 64 girls. Okay, understood. Question number 4. The distance between the point -4 and 6 and y-axis. To find the distance from the point -4 and 6 and y-axis, you must find the absolute value of x. Then the result will be 4, because the x coordinate here equal -4. Or you can draw x-axis and y-axis and put the point -4 and 6 here. -4 and 6, this point here, he won't find the distance between this point at y-axis. We have y-axis here, and count how many units here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's parallel to the base. We have 4 units here. Then the distance between the point -4 and 6 and y-axis, this length was 4 units. Or you must use this rule to find the distance between any point and y-axis. You must find the absolute value of x-axis. The absolute value of x-axis, it will be 4. Okay, then the result will be 4 units. Question number 5. In the corresponding figure, the area of parallelogram equal what? We can write base times corresponding height. The base here was 8 centimeter and corresponding height 8 times 8 equals 64. Then the area of parallelogram equals 64. Question number 5. It will be 8 product by 8 equals 64 square centimeter. Understood? Because the area of parallelogram equal base times corresponding height. Next question. Question number 6. 3 over 4 convert to percentage. 3 over 4 by product by 25 numerator and numerator. To convert from any fractions to percentage, we must convert second term equal 100 because the percentage is ratio second term equal 100. 4 times 25 equal 100 and 3 times 25 equals 75. 75 over 100 will be 75%. The result will be 75%. Question number 7. If a water tap is used to fill a 24 cubic meter tank in 3 hours, then the unit rate equal space here lira. Okay, how many to find the unit rate? We must divide it 24 by 3. Okay, 24 divided by 3 equal 8. Then we can write 8 cubic meter in 1 hour. 8 cubic meter in hour, because she used to fill 24 cubic meter. Okay, 24 cubic meter per 3 hour. Then the result will be 24 divided by 3 equal 8 cubic meter per 1 hour. The result will be 8 cubic meter per hour. Choose the third solution here. Okay, don't choose 8 liter per hour, because we have here the volume was cubic meter, not liter. Don't choose liter. Okay. Question second here, number 1. 18%, it means 18 over 100. We want to convert to decimal, it will be 0.18. Okay, question number 2, the ratio between 84 to 56. We can divide it by 7. 8 divided by 7 equal 1, and the remainder 1. 14 divided by 7 equal 2. 56 divided by 7 equal 8, because 7 times 8 equal 56. And then we can divide it by 4. 12 divided by 4 equal 3, and 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Then the result will be 3, 2. Question number 3, the ratio 4 to 9 equivalent to what? 4 to 9 equivalent 16 to what? 4 times 4 equals 16, and 4 times 9 equals 36. So we must write 36 in the numerator. Question number 4 is 0.06 product by 0.2. 2 times 6 equal 12, and the point will be after how many places? 1, 2. The result will be after 3 places, because the point in the first after 2 places, and here after 1 place. And the result will be after 3 places. The result will be 12 thousandths. Next question number 5. If the package of containing 10.5 liters of oil are put in containers with capacity of 3 over 8 liters each, then the number of needed containers is equal to what? We have the package contains the total amount was 10.5, and in each one we must put in it 3 over 8 liter. We can find the number of needed containers by dividing the total amount by the amount in each one bottle. Okay, how many containers here? Right, 10.5 convert from mixed number to proper. 2 times 10 equal 20 plus 1 equal 21. Convert from division to multiplication, not reciprocal about 3 over 8 will be 8 over 3. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 8 divided by 2 equal 4. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 4 times 7 equal 28. And 1 times 1 equal 1. Then the result will be 28 containers. Okay, 28 containers. Question number 6. 12 over 27 equal 4 over 9. We must know this rule. The product of extremes equal product of means. Then we can write 12 product by 9 equal 4 times 27. Okay, the product of extremes equal product of means. Question number 7. A garden is in the shape of right angle triangle. Its two sides lengths is 8 and 8. Okay, we can find the area 8 meter and 8 meter. We can find the area equal half times base times corresponding height. Half times 8 times 8, half of 8 equal 4. 4 times 8 equals 32 square meter. It's area of triangle. Question number 8. The conversion factor can be used to convert from minutes to hours. You want to convert to minutes. 2 hours by product by what? We can cancel minute, write minute here and write hour up, and we know 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Then the conversion factor will be 1 hour. We can write here 1 hour over 60 minutes. It's the conversion factor. Then this solution, you must write this conversion factor in the space. We know the conversion factor comparing between two different units here by using equality amounts, or comparing between equality amounts by using different units. Then the conversion factor here will be 1 hour over 60 minutes, because we want to convert from minutes to hour. Then you must cancel minutes, write minutes in denominator and write hour here up, and we must write 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Choose the correct answer. Third, number 1, comparing between two numbers. This operation, 8.8 divided by 1.1, or 8.8 divided by 0.8. In this example, we must cancel the point in denominator by product by 10 numerator and numerator. The result will be 88 over 11. And here it will be 88 divided by 8. Okay, product by 10 numerator and numerator. 88 divided by 11 equal 8, and 88 divided by 8 equal 11. Then the result will be less than. Okay, the result here less than between two numbers. Question number 2. If square pyramid has base length is 120 meter and the height of triangular face 30 meters, in this area it will be what? Okay, we have squared triangle squared here. If square pyramid, meaning the base was square, dimensions here, length was 120 meter, and the height of its triangular face, was 30 meter. Then he won't find the total area. We can find the total area by write the area of the base 120 product by 120 plus 4 product by the area of each one of triangular face. We know the area of one face, half times the base times the height. The base was 120 and the height was 30. Okay, first step, we can find the area of square 120 times 120. We can write the result 12 times 12 equal 144, and then we must write double zero. And then we can find the area here, half of this number, half of 120, it will be 60. 60 times 30 times 4, 4 times 6 times 30, write double zero, and 3 times 6 equal 18. And then again, half of 120 equals 60. 60 times 3 equal 1800. Write double zero, and 3 times 6 equal 18. And then we can write 14,400 plus 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 0 equals 0. 4 times 8 equals 32. Write 2 and carry up 3. Write 1 times 4 equals 4 plus 3 equals 7. 7,200. You must eat them. Write double zero. And 2 plus 4 equals 6, and 7 plus 4 equals 11, 1 and carry up 1, 1 plus 1 equals 2. The result will be 21,600. 21,600 cubic or square meter. Okay, understood? First step, we found here the area of the base with the square side by side, our area of each triangular face by write half times the base times height. We have 4 triangular in the face. Okay, we have 4 triangle congruent equal in the area. Question number 3 is the distance between 2 points in the number line. We have -4 and -6. The distance between them, we have 2 units. Okay, we have 2 units between -6 and 4. We can write the absolute value of the first and the absolute value of the second, and we have the similar sign, so you must write negative here, because -6 and -4 in the same side about 0. Then the result will be 6 minus 4 equal 2 units. Okay. Question number 4, which of the following mathematical expression express 1/8 of its meaning product? Okay, the result will be 1/8 product by 1/2. Choose 1/2 product by 1/8. We can find the last solution here. Okay, choose the last solution here. Choose this, half times 1/8. Question number 5, the following order pairs in the fourth quadrant except what? Okay, he won't find except what? In the fourth quadrant we have positive and negative. The order will be positive and negative. Then positive and negative, all numbers positive and negative without negative 2 and 2. The point negative 2 and 2 lies in the second quadrant, so you must choose negative 2 and 2. You won't find the except. Okay, right, negative 2 and 2, choose this, negative 2 and 2. Understood? Next question number 6, if rectangular prism length 3 meter, width 1.3 and height 5 meters, then the volume equal what? We know the volume equal length times width times height. He won't find the volume of rectangular prism. Rectangular prism, it's meaning cuboid. Length times width times height. We can write the length here 3, product by width 1.3, product by height it was 5, and write 3 product between two numbers. 5 times 3 equal 15, 5 and the carry upon 1 times 5 equal 5 plus 3 equal plus 1 equal 6, and 3 times 5 equal 15, 5 and the carry upon 3 times 6 equal 18 plus 1 equal 19. The result will be 19.5 cubic meter. Cubic what? Meter, because all dimensions the side length was meter. Okay, next question number 7, a car moving rate 60 kilometer per hour. If a car consumes at the same rate, then the distance covered in an hour and quarter, okay, an hour and quarter hour equal what? We know car moving rate 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, then 60 product by 1 and quarter, convert 1 times 4 equal 4 plus 1 equal 5, and then 60 times 5 or 4, 60 divided by 4 equal 15, 15 times 5 equals 75. Then the result will be 75 kilometer. It's a distance. Understood? The car cut this distance 60 kilometer at 1 hour. He won't find the distance at 1 and fourth hour. 60 divided by 4, it will be 15 kilometer in the first hour. Then the total distance, it will be 60 plus 15, it will be 75 kilometer. You can solve this method or another method. Question number 4, calculate the area of corresponding trapezium. We can divide this figure to rectangle and triangle and find the area of each one and then add them. Okay, we have here dimensions. Count with me dimensions here. How many units in the base? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and here 3 in the bases units, and the height 3. Then the area about rectangle 3 times 6 equal 18 square units, and here half times base times height. Half of 3 times 3 9, half of 9 it will be 4.5. Then the total area it will be 18 plus 4.5. Right, 5 here it's half, and 18 plus 4 equal 22. Then the area will be 22 and a half square units. 22 and a half. Okay, understood? First step, we can find the area of rectangle length times width. 3 times 6 equal 18. Okay, 10 square units. And area of triangle, half times base times height, it will be 4.5. Some of them it will be 22.5 square units. It's the area of trapezium. Okay, question number 2, which is the larger area of triangle base. We have triangle, the base was 12 centimeter and the height was 8 centimeter. Or the area of parallelogram, we have the base was 8 centimeter and corresponding height was 8 centimeter. We can find area 1, area of triangle, half times the base times corresponding height. Half times 12, half of 12 it will be 6. 6 times 9 equal 54 square centimeter. And area 2 of parallelogram, base times corresponding height, 8 times 8 equal 64 square centimeter. Then the area of parallelogram is the larger, right? The parallelogram is the larger. Parallelogram is larger, the area of parallelogram is the larger. Okay, question number 3, if the time decided for fitting to price running and swimming is 80 minutes and 30% of the time is spent participating running. How much time left in minute to participate swimming? Okay, we can write the percentage of swimming 1 subtract by 30%, because the sum of all time was what? Sum of time with 100 percentage. First step, we can find the percentage of swimming. The percentage of what? Swimming. It will be what? 70%. Then we can find the minutes of swimming. The minutes of swimming, right? 70%, it means 70 over 100 from the total minutes. 70% of 80 minutes. You can cancel 0 by 0 and 0 by 0, and 7 times 8 equal 56 minutes. Okay, 56 minutes. Understood? First step, we can find the percentage of swimming. The percentage of swimming, it will be 1 subtract by 30%, because 30% is percentage of running. Okay, running and swimming equal 100%. Then the percentage of swimming, it will be 1 subtract by 30%, it will be 70%. Then the minutes of swimming, it will be 70% of 80 minutes, because the total minutes was 80 minutes. Okay, 30% of it is spent at running, and 70% spent of this time at what? At practice swimming. Then the minutes of swimming, it will be 56 minutes, right? 56. Question number 4. Adil saves a fixed monthly amount 250 pounds using corresponding double number line to represent saving value. Determine the total saving in the 6 months. Okay, Adil saves a fixed monthly amount here 250 pounds. We comparing between Egyptian lira and months. First month, he have 250 pounds monthly. Okay, and in second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, you won't find in the 6. We can write 6 times 250, because you won't find in 6 months. 6 times 0 equals 0, 6 times 5 equals 30, 0 and carry up 3, 2 times 6 equals 12, 12 plus 3 equals 15. The result will be 1,500 Egyptian lira. Then the money, okay, the total money will be what? 1,500 Egyptian lira. Okay, the total will be 1,500 Egyptian lira.